Rooted as a midpoint location between two major metropolitan areas lies the beautiful city of Hartford, Connecticut. This capital city is overflowing with untapped opportunities that, when fully realized, will catapult this region into the sustainable, innovative, multimodal green valley it was always destined to be. While the necessary renovations commence through the Green 400 initiative, we must actively take inventory of all of our challenges, paying special attention to their origins.
When I think of Be Green, they're going to have the idea of the environment and the earth within their hearts.
We must look within ourselves, repairing and reactivating our relationship with the earth. Connecting with nature is not only vital, but also healing, thus uplifting us as people on many levels.
That should be a part of education. I mean, if you care about your future, you're going to teach the kids how to plant the seed.
Agricultural education should be permanently included into the curriculums of every school and continued at home. It is a fact that children are the future, and the best way to instill life practices is to begin while young.
And we have to really rethink everything.
Through proper educational programs, we can rethink and redesign our ways of living. The goal is to truly maximize our natural spaces throughout the community. We should be using empty space inside and out for reoccurring farmers markets, which would aid in closing the gap in accessibility. We have so much that we can utilize differently by decreasing unnecessary infrastructure and downsizing living quarters.
So cool to see just these great alternatives for housing.
It is time to nutritiously feed everyone with no restrictions, changing any prohibiting laws against planting in non-traditional areas. Making room for edible landscapes is imperative.
Like, edible landscaping is an actual thing.
Parks and other natural spaces should be shaped into self-sufficient ecosystems, which is how nature occurs when undisturbed. We must intentionally plant apple, pear, and other fruit trees in lieu of non-edible varieties. Instead of fences, let's plant berry bushes. Road strips, islands, and other decorative patches of land could be home to small crops like spinach, callaloo, radishes, mint, chives, arugula, kale, and zucchini.
How can we support each other?
Making these landscape changes will allow a fair balance of private and public food sources, putting the perpetuated food desert myth to rest once and for all.
If we change how we are in the world, people are going to change with it.
Why be any other color when you have the means to be green?